Hello and welcome to the TAP Business School. In this video, we'll be explaining how to incorporate a limited company if you're a sole trader. It's quick and easy to start a business as a sole trader or partnership, but as your business grows, it may become beneficial to start trading through a limited company instead, as there are many benefits, such as saving on your tax and protecting your personal assets. During this video, we'll be looking at the important things to consider, and also how to form your limited company. First, let's review the key things to do when incorporating. Initially, you'll need to decide on a date for when you will cease trading through your sole trader or partnership business and switch over to a limited company. This date will be important for setting things like your year end, so consider it carefully. It's best to pick a date in advance so you have plenty of time to get everything ready. If you haven't already got a business bank account, now is the time to get one. It's not a legal requirement to have one as a limited company, but without one you can be left with unnecessary hassle later on, and you may struggle to separate your business and personal finances. You'll also need to make a list of your suppliers and ensure you let them know you're becoming a limited company. This will protect you if you ever come into financial difficulties. If you're already registered for VAT, then the registration will be carried out over the limited company. You can do this officially by filling in a VAT 68 form, using the link you can see on screen. Sole traders that have employees will need to close down any PAYE schemes and reopen them for the new company. You'll also need to draw up some new employment contracts to make them valid under the new operating structure. Many people forget to update their stationery, such as letterheads and invoices. This should be done as soon as possible to show the new company name, company number, and registered address. A new company will also need to start afresh with their bookkeeping records. You'll need to set up a new account in your bookkeeping software for the limited company. Finally, you'll need to make a list of all the assets which are being transferred to the company, such as vehicles and office equipment. If you have any doubts about how any of these things should be handled, speak to your accountant so they can walk you through it. It's also worth keeping in mind that when you incorporate, you'll become a director of your company. Directors are in charge of running the company and have certain obligations they must meet. We go into this in more detail in another video, so be sure to check it out. The easiest way to incorporate is to use a formations agent or accountant to do all the work on your behalf. This may be more expensive, but it'll mean you don't accidentally miss anything important, as these experts are extremely thorough. However, if you feel confident with the process, you can go directly to Companies House and incorporate yourself. Just make sure you've done plenty of research. If you're one of our clients, you're in luck. We offer a formation service free of charge. Contact us and we'll talk you through the process. Thanks for watching. If you need any more information about incorporating a limited company, please head to our website at www.theaccountancy.co.uk or give us a call using the number on screen.